In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Freshbooks in 2025 with a step-by-step guide. Now, whether you're a freelancer or running your own small business, setting up a Freshbooks account can be a game changer for managing your invoicing and accounting needs efficiently. Let's dive into the process, making sure you have everything you need to get started smoothly. The first thing you need to do is visit the FreshBooks website. Once you're there, look for the Try It for Free button. Clicking this will kick off your 30-day free trial. It's a fantastic way to explore all the features FreshBooks offers without any initial commitment. You'll be prompted to provide your email and create a password, or if you prefer, you can use your Google or Apple account to sign up seamlessly. This flexibility allows you to choose the option that works best for you. Next, it's essential to verify your email address. FreshBooks will send a verification code to the email you used for registration. So head to your inbox, find that email, and enter the code on the FreshBooks site. This step ensures your account is securely linked to your email and ready for the next stages. With your account verified, it's time to flesh out your business profile. Here, you'll provide crucial details about your business, such as your company name, the industry you're operating in, and your billing methods for clients. It's these details that will help FreshBooks tailor its tools to suit your specific needs, so take your time to enter accurate information. After setting up your business profile, you'll have the option to choose a paid plan. This step is optional during the trial, but gives you an idea of what to consider once the free trial period concludes. FreshBooks offers various plans, so think about the number of clients you have and the features you might need in the future. You will then need to add your payment details, providing your credit card information. This part is necessary to transition smoothly into a paid plan after your trial period. Don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial ends, but it's better to set this up in advance. Now let's customize your account. You can add a professional touch by uploading your business logo and setting up how you'd like to receive payments. FreshBooks supports connections with platforms like Stripe and PayPal, making it easy to streamline your payment process. You can also add any specific products or services you offer, simplifying future invoicing tasks. Lastly, if you have team members, you can invite them to FreshBooks by simply supplying their email addresses and roles. This collaboration feature can greatly enhance how you manage projects and operations collectively. With these steps completed, you're all set up on FreshBooks, ready to leverage its capabilities to better manage your business's financial aspects. Thanks for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping!